Hey there, it's Mike with ChemiCloud Hosting back with the fourth and final video in our series on JetBackups. Did you know JetBackups creates a backup every day for each database under your cPanel? The backup includes all of the data in your database, plus your database users and their configurations. In this video, we're going to examine database backups, and I will show you how to restore a database and how to generate a link to download one for offline purposes. Let's get started. The Database Backup module in JetBackup allows you to restore a database that was used by an application you've installed, such as WordPress, for example. This is super handy if the database has become corrupted or damaged by a malfeasant plugin, or if your database was infected by malware and you need to restore it to a working copy. The first step to access JetBackups is to log into your cPanel. If you're a ChemiCloud customer, you can click the link in your description to open Lab, our client portal, and then open your cPanel. If you're not a ChemiCloud customer, you can log into your cPanel using the method your host provides. Once you have your cPanel open, look for the JetBackup section of cPanel, which is the second from the top, and then click Database Backups to open the Database Backups area. Once the Database Backup section is open, we can see we have a lot of backups here to choose from. Your account may have more or less backups available depending on the age of the account and how many databases you've created in the past. Because you may have created many databases, it is important to call out the search function at the top. If you know the name of your database or a partial name, you can use the search function to find it. The database that I need to restore ends in WP164, so I'm going to search for that. As you can guess, the WP stands for WordPress. Let's restore this backup. However, before doing so, I want to call out that there will be data loss in restoring this backup. Any changes I have made to my WordPress site, such as a new post or page, will be removed since the backup was taken by JetBackups before that content was created. Since I'm sure I wish to proceed, I'm going to click Restore. As we can see, we're prompted to check the box to confirm we're sure we wish to restore this database. The warning is the same one I mentioned just a few moments ago. Since I am sure, I'm going to check the box and click the blue Add to Restore Queue button. Similar to full account backups, these backups are placed in a queue because the server needs to reach out to the offsite backup server and retrieve the files. Let's open up the queue and check on the status of this restore by clicking the squares in the top left corner of cPanel to go to the main menu, and then click Queue beneath JetBackups section. Because we only process one restore request at a time, if you have requested additional databases be restored, they will be placed in queue and completed one after the other. As you can see, our restore is finished, which means the database for my WordPress site is now back to normal. Before we finish, there's another aspect of the database backup feature I'd like to talk about. Let's return to our database backup area by clicking the squares in the top left corner of cPanel and then clicking Database Backups in the JetBackups section. Next, I'll use the search to find the same database, the one that ends in WP164, and instead of clicking Restore, I'm going to click Generate Download. This will instruct JetBackups to reach out to the offsite server, which stores the backup files, and create a compressed file of your database that you can download to your computer. Similar to restoring a database, you'll be asked to confirm the action to generate a download, but it's important and good to note that by generating this download, you are not at risk of data deletion or any data overwrite because a restore isn't being performed. JetBackup is only retrieving the backup and compressing it into a downloadable format for you for later use. Downloading a database is super handy if you want to examine it or modify and repair individual tables using the MySQL Workbench application. As we can see, our download is now ready. To download it to our computer, just click the download button. Once you've downloaded the compressed backup file, be sure to click Delete Download so it's not consuming any space in your hosting account. Alright, I'd like to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you'll probably enjoy our hosting services even more. ChemiCloud offers the best customer service in the industry, along with a fast, secure, and reliable cloud hosting platform, backed up by our 5-star public reviews from our own customers. Try us out for 45 days, worry-free. We're confident that you'll be satisfied with our services or your money back. We look forward to bringing you more videos, tutorials in the future. Have a great day and be sure to subscribe to our channel.